I picked up this dimple die set for 50 bucks on Amazon. Let's see if I wasted my money or if it's worth it. Dimple dies are used to add rigidity and strength while also lightening your sheet metal panel. And not to mention, they look really cool. This kit I got comes with 3 different sizes. You got 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. And that refers to the diameter of this little part here. You're gonna put your sheet metal with the hole down on it, and then the top part of the die on top. And you're gonna sandwich it together, press it, and you're gonna get your dimple. This is a nice little kit from what it seems. I mean, they seem really well made. Laser etched the size right in the cap here, so you can tell what size it is. And I don't know, we're gonna put them to the test, see if they hold up. Alright, so if you ignore this one where the drill slipped and kind of messed up the hole a little bit, the second one I did turned out really nice. Nice even radius all the way around. I'd say these dimple dies work pretty well. Let's try a bigger size. Alright, we got the big boy now, the 1 inch. WD-40. Just like that, we got a dimple die. Now for 50 bucks, this is a great little dimple die set to pick up. I mean, this is my first time making dimple dies. I was able to make them. They turned out halfway decent. That looks like a pretty decent little dimple die. Some reasons you may use dimple dies are to strengthen material back up after it gets flimsy from drilling a bunch of holes in it. You might use them if you are trying to get some more traction on something, like a ramp to get up into your truck with your 4-wheeler or something. Dimple dies can be a super simple, easy way to add some strength back to your project after you've cut a bunch of holes in it. So you got weight savings and then you got your strength back. Best of both worlds. Now as a beginner, I think this is a great little set for under 50 bucks. Worked well for me. I think it'll work well for you. So if you want to get into dimple dies and try your hand at making some, I'll put a link below where you can pick up a set of these. 50 bucks. Now if you like this video, you may like some of the others I have linked below. As always guys, stay bearded, stay jeepin', I'm out.